So, Gauri, I would just like to understand your experience with New Code NLP.
New Code NLP is, of course, is a very fantastic tool or technique, you can say. But what I've experienced with Ridhima is the trainer ka style hai na, that also matters. How are they coaching you and how are they taking you step by step? Okay, so that process. Now I am having that understanding that yes, there are many layers to it. New Code NLP is not just just the technique, but then layered techniques that are there. And I could see measurable results, tangible results with these techniques.
So, could you share some examples that have changed, that you have experienced change in your personal or your professional life?
So during these 5 days, one of the, you can say, breakthrough maybe for me, that the state that I was carrying with me, though I'm an entrepreneur and I'm doing multiple things, but I was doing those things with that particular state which was unresourceful and was not helping me. But somehow Ridhima was able to identify that, and I worked with her on that. In fact, it was just matching and mirroring that happened, and I'm just, that state is no more.
How has it been your experience with Ridhima as a trainer or as a coach?
So I've done this earlier as well. So I would say, I think she's one of the best coach or trainer I can say in India. But in NLP, you need someone to model, right? I think she can be the best, one of the best model you can have as a coach or a trainer.
So, one word you would like to give this experience and Ridhima Dua.
Come on, there just can't be just one word to this. There are many things, because there are so many experiences that that we have gone through in these days, and there are so many transformations, so that just can't be one word. But then to sum me, in a summary, I can say it's like about Ridhima, she seems so aligned with her work, and that actually makes, like, as us as an individuals to just model it naturally, because there is no duality there. As a coach, it's just so much alignment in her. So that was like really easy thing, and I could just model her in a very natural way. I didn't have to put my efforts to I have to model her. No, that it just happened so naturally.
So, to whom would you like to recommend the Ridhima's course and why?
So there can be many people actually who are coaches, of course, or the people who are aspiring to be coach, first of all, because I can see that will eventually help my business model as well there. And another thing, I would definitely going to recommend my husband in the family front, because he is already into that field of motivation and everything. So these skill sets will definitely help him and us as a business and family both.
Alright. So you also previously had done NLP earlier. So like, what difference, or could you sense anything different in doing the course with Ridhima?
So yes, I of course felt the missing piece. There was something there, and so what I have observed in this is, as I said earlier, that in NLP you need a model. See, as a coach, when we go out in the world and we will coach others, right? So we need something in our pockets to model for, to reflect upon, or so that I could find in Ridhima. And that was so natural and in alignment, so I didn't have to put my efforts per se, to model her. Second important thing in terms of techniques, it's just not, this is the technique, this is the problem, this is the technique, this is the problem, this is the technique. No, there are so many layers to it to arrive at a particular intention or chunk up or chunking down the intention. So there are so many layers. Those layers I could identify in this course. Yeah. So now it seems like, holistic solution, as you can say.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.